Hare Krishna. I am Vishakha Kumar. I am going to narrate a story on Trinavarta. Lord is always merciful to every human being. And now I will start my story. Once Yashoda Maya was going home and she was carrying Krishna. She felt Krishna very heavy and she left Krishna down. She felt Krishna heavy like millions of mountains and she left him down. She went to the house and Krishna was playing in the courtyard. Kansa saw Krishna playing in the courtyard and he told one of the demons called Trinavarta. Trinavarta was a demon like cyclone. He was in the form of a cyclone. He came and he took Krishna. The whole Gokul was filled of dust. So he took Krishna and went up high in the sky. Krishna held his neck and he lost his balance. Trinavarta lost his balance and he fell down. And he crashed the rock. This is the way Trinavarta died. Somebody dies by Krishna's hands in Vrindavan, they get the mercy of the Lord.